In this video, what I have here is a 7-watt solar panel, and this is a solar panel that fits any type of wireless camera. So if you're like me and I've got the Ankway like wireless solar camera, and here it is, it's wintertime out here, and you're not getting as much sun as you do in the summertime. So what I've done, I've got an upgraded solar panel, and I just want to show y'all exactly what you get with this thing. It is a USB-C connector. You have a couple of connectors there, and you get a little like connection right here that hooks to this panel. And just let's take the panel out and show you what it looks like. This is a high-grade, all-weather solar panel that will last years and years. And then to install it, you're just going to go like this, put it like that, and then that is going to lock onto there like that. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to have to go up on the pole. I have a wireless solar camera mounted on the pole, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to go mount this up there now, and it should give me a little more power throughout the day than the 5-watt panel that's on there now. And I love that they give you enough cord to make this thing work. So let's go ahead and let's see what's inside this. You know, there's several ways of mounting it here. So you know what, I already know what I'm doing. Let's go mount this on the pole now. So let's get away camera, and you can see right now this is the 5-volt solar panel. I'm going to go ahead and remove this. We just pull that out right there, and then I'm going to take these 4 screws out, remove this, and then I'm going to get the 7-watt and then screw the 7-watt base in and then install it. I realized that I just had that thing installed with these 2 screws right here, so it's a lot easier to just get it down here on the ground, and then I'm going to remove the solar panel and then put the new 7-watt on there. I forgot that I actually made it super easy to do that. So let me go ahead and take this 5-watt off of here. The 5-watt off. Let me go ahead and get the hardware for the 7-watt. It just screws on there like this. Tighten it down like that. Now that should be good enough, and then this is going to plug in right here. So I am good. Now I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to get a zip tie all this up to that, and I should be good to go. So let me grab it. We have upgraded to a 7-watt solar panel, and it mounts just like that. I can tighten it up right here. That tightens that up, and then I tighten that up right there. So here and here is where I can tighten it up, and look how I can kind of move it around a little bit. All right, I think I'm installed. There we go, everybody. We are back in business with a more powerful light. Now, what the sun does, it starts in the morning right over there, and it just goes throughout the day. I think I will maximize my sunlight. That's all I got today on the 7-watt upgraded solar panel for the Ankway camera. See you on the next video.